Congratulations on becoming a father. At Dad's Uni, we believe that every man has the potential within them to become a wonderful father to his children. Dad's Uni aims to provide practical biblical training to help young men in growing their families God's way. We hope you find these simple teachings to be both encouraging and informative. Remember, if you enjoy our teachings, please subscribe and like our podcasts, and share them with someone else who also might benefit. Don't forget to check out our free ebooks and blogs on our dadsuni.com website. God bless. John Nolan. Dad's Uni.
Tip 22. Be involved in your children's sport.
I remember growing up, playing sport every weekend, training a couple of times during the week. It was standard life for many of the young males of our generation. Sport kept me fit and strong, and probably just as important, it kept me involved in something. Childhood obesity is rampant in our society, and unless we take some strategic steps forward to face the issue head-on as a society, we may find ourselves outliving our children. To counteract this growing trend, governments are throwing truckloads of money at the issue, attempting to initiate a culture of sport back in our schools again. I applaud these endeavors by our government, as health issues have far-reaching ramifications, especially in children. One of the ingredients required to establish a lifestyle of sport or healthy activity is direct parental involvement in the sport or activity. On one level, the school is pushing and encouraging the children to participate in sports, and the children will hopefully begin to enjoy the exercise and competition of sport. But if there is no reinforcement at home, especially from the child's father, it is very possible that sport or healthy activity will never become a lifestyle. Developing a lifestyle of healthy activity or sport will hold your children in good stead for many years to come, and will probably affect the way your grandchildren grow up as well. For this reason, it is vital that fathers show an interest in their child's sport or activity to help reinforce the validity of the issue in the child's mind. In a child's mind, if it's not important to dad, it's obviously not that important. In my childhood, I played football for many years, every weekend out there having a go, doing my best, keeping healthy. But one thing I always knew was that when my dad made it to the game, I was going to take it up a notch and play even better. Both sons and daughters are always seeking approval from their fathers, it's in their nature, and this is one of our greatest opportunities as fathers to help steer them in the right direction in life. If we don't give them the approval they are looking for, they will begin to seek it from peers and other adults that may not have the child's best in mind.
Suggested action.
Talk to your children regularly about their sport or activity. Show an interest in how they or the team is going. If you have skills in the area or sport, teach your child in the backyard or park. Get along to the game if you can, and encourage them from the sideline. Consider taking up a manager or coaching role in your child's sport for a time.
Scripture references.
Proverbs chapter 22 verse 6. Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old he will not depart from it. Proverbs chapter 3 verses 1 to 4. My son, do not forget my law, but let your heart keep my commands. For length of days and long life and peace they will add to you. Let not mercy and truth forsake you, bind them around your neck. Write them on the tablet of your heart, and so find favor and high esteem in the sight of God and man.
A father's testimony.
Be a dad. Don't be mom's assistant. Be a man. Fathers have skills that they never use at home. You run a landscaping business, and you can't dress and feed a 4-year-old? Take it on. Spend time with your kids. It won't take away your manhood, it will give it to you. Louis C.K.